Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer from PayPal to GCash. So let's get started. So first of all, we need to link your PayPal account to GCash. To do that, follow these steps. Log in into your GCash app and go to your profile. After that, select my linked accounts and then PayPal. Enter your PayPal email and password. After that, log in through the PayPal page. That will be prompt. Then click authorize. The next step is to go to your PayPal wallet and select the more icon besides the currency you want to convert. Click convert currency, select the currency and enter the amount you want to convert. The conversion rate will be displayed on this page. Click next. After that, click convert now. We need to make transfer funds from PayPal to GCash. So on your GCash dashboard, click cash in and select PayPal. Enter the amount you want to transfer. After that, make sure to confirm your transaction via OTP. You'll receive a notification via SMS and email once the transfer is complete. And that's it. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and see you on the next one.